Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'll be sharing with you two hiring updates, one from Accenture and the other from Infosys. So coming to the Accenture, it's of SASA role, System and Application Services Associate, and this is for 2022 and 2023 passouts guys. So firstly join our Telegram channel to get faster updates for any off-campus updates. So I'm giving link in the description and comments. So all the apply links will be first shared on our Telegram channel only. So make sure you join them. And this Accenture hiring is not for BTech student guys. This SASA role is not for BTech students. So if you are any BTech students are there, you can directly skip to the Infosys hiring. So again Infosys hiring is for experienced candidates. So if you are BTech fresher, then this video is not for you. So the eligible streams are BSc, BBA, BCA, BCom and all other related streams. So here it is mentioned that MSc non-CS or IT, and carefully read the eligibility criteria guys, because you will be getting immediate rejection if you failed any one of the criteria. So carefully read all the eligibility criteria and only 2022 and 2023 passouts. And the job location that was mentioned was Bangalore, and the CTC will be around 3.4 lakhs guys. So it's also mentioned there. So many of you are mailing me that getting immediate rejections. So carefully read the eligibility criteria, and some of them are recently getting assessment mails too. So don't lose hope. Carefully read the process and job description. So if you think it fits for you, then you can apply. Go ahead and apply to this. So and you shouldn't have any backlogs, no active backlogs, and you should have completed your relevant degree. So but there should be no gaps during the course of your degree, and keep in mind that you shouldn't have to be in a recruitment or interview or assessment process in last 3 months guys. So carefully do it. So in last 3 months if you have taken any assessment or interview from Accenture, then you can't apply to this. You will get immediate rejection mail. So once check and apply. So this is about the Accenture thing. You also have a process here. First you will be having mock assessment, then cognitive assessment, and then technical assessment, and finally you will be having communication assessment. So whole process was mentioned there. Go through it and then apply. And coming to the Infosys hiring update, Infosys is hiring for Power Programmer role. So this is for experienced candidate guys. So if you are a fresher, then you can't apply to this. So here it is mentioned that 1 year and above experience is required, and Java full stack. So specialist programmer Java full stack. So if you are good in Java full stack and you are experienced, and if you have experience more than 1 year, then you can surely apply to this. There is a good chance that your CTC can be improved. And here there are preferred skills mentioned: Java Hibernate, so and Java microservices. So if you think that you suit for this role, you can go ahead and apply to this. So I'll give the Telegram link in description and in comments. So make sure you join that channel. So both the links to apply are there in our channel. So go ahead and apply there. Do follow the channel for more hiring update guys. So mostly I will post off campus updates, so and interview experiences. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel.